Certainly there are many steps in the process, but generally speaking, let's go through what you might reasonably expect when you hire a lawyer to help you with your injury case. First of all, you'll meet with the lawyer. We want to certainly do this as soon as possible after the incident. Secondly, you'll go through your treatment period. Again, like we've talked about before, however long that can take, whether it's a week, a year, a month, however long it takes. After that, then we talk about getting your case together to send out to the insurance company, which is usually a couple months. Then clients want to know, well, what happens if my case doesn't settle? That's when we talk big picture about your case. Do we need to file a lawsuit against the insurance company to maximize the recovery of your case? We'll be with you every step of the way, talking through the good parts, maybe the not so good parts about your case, the advantages and disadvantages of settling your case now versus going through a litigation process. Litigation itself can take some time, there's no doubt about that. Usually there's a couple phases. The first phase is what we call discovery, and typically that takes about a couple months. That's an exchange of information between the parties so that they get to know more about our side of the case and we get to know more about their side of the case, right? There's information that we want to get from them and there's information they want to get from us. So we would of course help you through that process every step of the way. After the discovery phase, they might take your deposition. Again, that's an in-person chance for them to get to know more about you. And that's usually after or near the end of the discovery process once information's been exchanged. And then typically there's what we call a mediation, which is when we have a neutral third-party attorney get involved to listen to both sides of the case and try to come to some type of agreement. Usually this is within a couple months after the close of discovery and after your deposition is taken. Of course, all this is always subject to change. Every case can be different, but needless to say, we'll be with you every step of the way. We'll explain every step of the way so that you are comfortable and confident and you know this is where my case is at, this is what my lawyer feels about the case, this is where our case is headed.